When we talk about luxury cars, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class has always set the benchmark. In fact, earlier this year in June, India got the new 7th generation model, which was introduced as a completely built unit. And even before its official launch, Mercedes had pre-sold about 50% of the total cars allotted for the country.
Yes, and it is that kind of demand that has prompted Mercedes-Benz India to launch a locally made S-Class, and that too within 3 months from its CBU version's launch. Right now, we are at Chakan at Mercedes-Benz India's plant to witness the launch of the India-made S-Class. So let's go in.
Mercedes-Benz began locally assembling the S-Class in India in 1999 with the W220 series. And with the addition of the latest generation model, the company has built 4 generations of the S-Class in India. And up until now, the company has sold over 8,000 units of the flagship luxury sedan in the country. Now, the locally assembled model comes to India as semi-knockdown or SKD kits. However, Mercedes did not tell how many units of the S-Class it will be assembling in India per year.
In June, when we launched the CBU, we saw very good traction. And we thought, okay, now the domestic S-Class can really be a winner. So what we tried then is to pull ahead the production so that today now we have it out of our local assembly lines. And the aim was really to be, how can I say, more approachable and be accessible to a wide range of our customers.
Now, when we talk about differences, Mercedes has removed some big features like the rear axle steering mechanism and also the previous 400D 3-litre diesel engine, which made 326 brake horsepower. That has been replaced by a less powerful 350D motor that offers about 282 bhp. With this change, the diesel model also does not get the company's 4MATIC all-wheel drive system anymore. On the other hand, the petrol option, which is the 450 4MATIC, continues to come with the same 362 bhp churning 3-litre engine that comes with an integrated 48-volt starter generator. While these are some big changes, Mercedes has not really skimmed on the features department. The S-Class continues to get premium features like the digital light LED headlights, the flush-fitting door handles, up to 5 OLED displays inside the cabin along with the MBUX infotainment system, Mercedes Me connected car tech, and rear massage seats with 10 different settings among other premium creature comforts. Earlier, the CBU version of the diesel and the petrol models were priced at 2 crore 17 lakh rupees and 2 crore 19 lakh rupees respectively. However, with local assembly, the same models are now priced at 1 crore 57 lakh rupees and 1 crore 62 lakh rupees. That is a huge difference of up to 60 lakh rupees, and we believe it will be a big pulling factor for anyone who's planning to buy the S-Class in India.